Hey, I want to share with you a simple Facebook ad strategy for 2021, which is right here on this one page. Let's go. Okay, so there are two options. Option number one is if you already have an engaged audience on social media. So imagine Facebook page, maybe Instagram page. So you have an engaged audience. So you can definitely target these audiences and bring them to your sales page, your product pages, and make sales. So these people are already engaged with you, right? So if you make good offers, guess what? They're likely to convert and buy your stuff. These ads could be videos, images, carousels. I like to test, but this will work if you have engaged audience on your social media accounts. Now let's talk about option number two. So this is when you don't have an engaged audience on your Facebook page or Instagram page. Now what do, right? So this is not a good option because if people are not engaged with us, it's a cold audience, they don't have no like and trust factor with us. So if you try to do this process, most likely they're not going to buy our stuff, or if they buy, the cost per lead, cost per sale will be high. So that's where the second option comes in. So it's a two-step process. In step number one, I call this, we're qualifying the audience. So you can target cold audience, people who are not engaged with you. And in this example, I'm saying, you can use a video and do a video view ad. Now what happens is some of these people, a subset of this cold audience, will actually watch your videos, right? And obviously you have to be smart about the targeting, right? It's not like cold audience, anyone in the world. People are still relevant to your niche. For example, if I'm in fitness, I'm probably gonna target fitness pages or buy different fitness keywords. Now, what happens is in step number one, these people watch some percentage of our videos. So you can build custom audience and then bring these people here. So maybe capture people who have watched 50%, 75%, or 90% of your videos, and then target these people and bring them to your sales page. Now, if you step back, a lot of time what people try to do is they do this simple process, which is okay, but they target cold audience and then they expect them to buy stuff. Now, that doesn't work because these people do not have the relationship with us, the know, like, and trust factor. So that's where you can use a simple two-step process. It could be video views, it could be engaged audience campaigns, engagement campaigns, or other methods. But by using this process, the two-step process, you're warming up the audience, you're qualifying the audience before you pitch them your product or service. Hey, now if you have any questions, let me know, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.